to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery is headed to Las Vegas, Nevada. It's an example of our Fuelie Edition product in Wimbledon white with the Blackout package. From the impact bumpers, the wheels, the door handles, even the hinges. This is a great vibe from front to back. Now let's go take a look inside. Inside, we've got this distressed leather interior with diamond stitching. C-deck on the floor, and to wrap it all together, we've got our top-of-the-line studio-level sound from Coyote. It sounds amazing. Now, we are delivering dreams to driveways every week. If you'd like to learn more how to turn your dream into a reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.